My name is Chef Fran, and today we're making a hearty pumpkin soup. A hearty pumpkin soup. We have our beef chunks that I already seared up. That's gonna go so I have a beautiful color in our Instapot. We have our penny pasta. You can use any pasta that you have at home. A lot of people have spaghetti. You can use that if you want. We're using penny. Bell peppers, spinach, carrots, Himalayan salt and black pepper, an onion, chicken broth, pumpkin puree. You definitely need that to make the soup. If you want to use vegetable broth instead, you can do that, or just some water and some chicken bouillon. You can do that as well. Some cayenne pepper and a little bit of cinnamon. So I'm just searing my meat. It's going to get a little color, and then I'm going to combine everything in the pot. And I just love to make the pot because you can enjoy time with family and friends while your meal is cooking for you. The only thing is that I won't put the pasta in right away. I'll put it in the last 10 minutes of cooking because I don't want it to obviously end up disintegrating because of the high pressure heat and becoming too soggy like cabbage. Still a little al dente and firm. So just letting this get a little bit more color, and then I'll take it off the heat and start to set it up. So now, using a pressure cooker Instapot, it's very high temp. So we're not going to add our pasta, our spinach, and our bell peppers until the last 10 minutes. To do so beforehand, we'll end up with no pasta and just pasta flavoring inside our Instapot because it's going to disintegrate because of the high pressure. So we'll wait and put that in the last 10 minutes before. So we're going to put in our beef chunks right now. Okay. And we're gonna add a little bit of and our carrots as well. We'll add that a little later. A little black pepper, a little Himalayan salt, and we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne and cinnamon. Just a little dash of cayenne. Okay. A little cinnamon. Cinnamon mini. Oops. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna add our pumpkin puree, which is a key source of ingredient here. So we need that for sure. You know, now's the season for a lot of people. You know, we're in the winter season. And so soups are really great to have. They're filling, great nourishment, and fast and easy. You can have it for a couple of days and don't have to cook and worry about cooking. We're gonna put our broth in so we cover our meat. Add my other pumpkin puree. Some more pumpkin puree. Okay. So we have 2 cans of pumpkin puree here. And then we're gonna let it rip. And we'll add our vegetables, carrots, spinach, as well as the bell peppers and the pasta. The last 10 minutes of cooking time. Especially if you don't like your pasta mushy like me. I like it al dente. So this would be great. Okay. There we go. Vitamin content for our hearty pumpkin soup is pumpkin puree, vitamins A, B1, B6, C, copper, calcium, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Chicken broth, A, B12, C, D, E, K, and magnesium. Beef chunks, B6, B12, iron, selenium, and zinc. Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. Carrots, A, beta carotene, biotin, and potassium. Pasta, B, folate, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine. Spinach, C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Onions, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. Bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium. Cinnamon, A, and iron. Cayenne, B6, K, magnesium, potassium. Real facts. There are 690 million people globally facing food insecurity. 60% of those people globally are women. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Pumpkin soup with my peppers, my pasta. Wow. Delicious. Full of flavor. Keep you warm, a full meal. You really enjoy this, you really should try to make it. Simple ingredients. You probably have most of these at home. Again, you can use chicken if you don't want to use beef, or put nothing at all. You can do that as well. So good. The beef is so tender from the Instapot. Really good. Plus, we don't know what a bagel tastes like. Really try to make this quite affordable. So here's my call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, it lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. It allows us to go back to the thinking lab and see what else can we create for you, or what can we recreate for you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends. They'll thank you for it. I thank you for hanging out with me and eating virtually with me. Well, I ate this physically, but you too can eat this physically too. So good. You don't even need to put cream in here. Notice how thick it is? No cream needed. I mean, you could add cream if you want, but you don't need the extra calories and really not needed. I thank you again for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate your time. And also, since I know that everyone's on this new health check, for their lifestyle journey of wanting to change how they eat, my book is out. It's called A Twist on Boring Salads. It's a salad for every day of the month. So it's 30 salads for the month to kind of put a twist on boring salads, because most people think of salads of garden or Caesar or Cobb, but I go beyond that. I have those salads too, but the Caesar actually is surprise. It's called Chicken Caesar Surprise. So you'll really enjoy it. Get the book. It's available on Amazon.com by Chef Fran Glover, and it's a twist on boring salad, a salad a day. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me. I love you guys. Bye. So here we have our wonderful hearty pumpkin soup, which has beef chunks and penny pasta in it, and some spinach and carrots and some onions, which are buried under, and some bell peppers, which are also buried under, with our pumpkin puree and our chicken broth. And just accompanying it, use what you have at home. I just had some mini bagels to go with it, but you can have no bread, or you can have some saltine crackers or some oyster crackers, or your own bread or no bread.